Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a new program called Dallo. On this talk show we will talk about everything in the world, whether it is Somali related or world related. Today we're gonna talk about a slow Somali sprinter at a Chinese international sports competition. We've all seen the pictures, the videos about a Somali girl called Nasra Ali, who was the slowest sprinter of all girls who were participating at the Chinese international sports competition. She was an athlete. But she was the slowest not only on that sport game, but also in the entire history of athletes running. It took her 30 seconds, 30, to finish the line. 30 seconds for a Somali athlete. Wow. The Somali sports minister, Mohammed Bara Mahmoud, launched with his ministry an investigation, and they found out that this girl, Nasra, was the niece of the Somali Sports Federation president called Khadija Aden Dahir. Khadija Aden Dahir used and abused her power to bring this girl to those competition. She selected her above others who were qualified, but she chose her niece, and she took her to those sports game. And you know what the plan was? The plan was to get her niece to get asylum in a European country, whether it is UK or Germany or Italy, maybe Canada also, but to get her in a Western country. And she used her ministry and her power. She abused it. This is nepotism. This is nepotism of the highest level, the highest, not only in Somali, but also the entire sports world or international sports world. Because there are so many qualified, and Somalis in general are the most qualified athletes in the world. They are the fastest, alongside Ethiopians, Eritreans, Kenyans, Ugandans, sometimes Tunisians also. So everyone was in shock, like how Somalia could do this, because we have Mohammed Farah, who is one of the best. And Somalis were one of the best at the Olympics game in London 11 years ago. And now at this game, Somalia was the slowest of all. Wow. The Somali Ministry of Sports apologized to the Somali people. They apologized to the Somali people about this embarrassment sprinter. But the Somali people, they were not happy. And when you scroll on Twitter, some people say that this is not only nepotism, but they also call in the nepotism when it's acquired to the Somali president's daughter called Jihan Hassan Sheekh. Well, Jihan Hassan Sheikh, the daughter of Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, is a foreign advisor at the Villa Somalia. She had an international degree at the Turkish university. But besides that, we're not talking about that. We're talking about how the Somali Sports Federation president Khadija abused her power to get her niece to the sport event. And you know what the weirdest thing was? The Somali, the chairwoman of the Somali Athletes Federation made a statement. And she said, "We do not care about what people say. We are in Nairobi to obtain a visa for the World Athletes Championship in Hungary. We believe Somalia will be on the top 10 this year." I do not know what to say. She should be ashamed. Ashamed. She should be ashamed of herself, what she did to Somalia. She should be ashamed. Because what she did is not forgivable. It's not. It's not forgivable. Because that shows that she doesn't care about sports, she doesn't care about Somalis, she only cares about what is the best interest for myself and for my family. How could I get my family to Europe and North America? How could I get them out of the Somalia, which she calls a garbage? But Somalia is not a garbage. Somalia is a good country with many resources. But people like her, she doesn't care. She doesn't care. And she only wants to get into a powerful position to abuse it. To only send her niece for asylum opportunities in Western countries. I am very angry. You could hear I'm very angry about this because I never expect this could happen in Somalia. However, Somalia is a corrupt country, but I never expected this. I never expected this, that this would happen. That Somali chairwoman of Somali, that this chairwoman abused Somali people, Somali sports, to get her niece. This needs to stop. This needs to stop. Right now. Right now, this needs to stop. And she's already suspended. So I am happy about that. But if you elect a chairwoman for any Somali sports, whether it's an athlete Somali Federation or football Somali Federation or any other sports, you should look at why she is qualified. Why is this person qualified to be a chairwoman of one of these Somali sports federations? But this woman, you could see at her, she's not done anything with sports. She just said, I want to be a sports chairwoman. So please, let this never happen again. Let this never ever again happen. Because you only make the country angry and make hatred. This was Dallo Talk. I hope you like it. It's a new program. Other episodes will coming soon. There's a new program. I hope you like it. So let a comment below if you want to say anything. Thank you very much.